So we were the School Food Matters Garden at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show this year, 2023. Chelsea has been such a milestone for us as a company and design studio, and yeah, we always knew that this was going to be the legacy of all of that work, is bringing the garden to this space. It's really something that is hopefully inspiring and exciting for children to engage with plants, nature and food as well.
So this is the legacy of the Chelsea Flower Show. This is the garden lives on for Alec Reed and its school community.
3, 2, 1, hooray!
Well, I wish it was my garden. I'm dreaming of it being my garden, having a nice picnic, seeing my friends and family. It's good to have a big party over here.
I'm really hoping it can be sort of a hub for learning. The first thought I had was getting children involved in reading out here. Also artwork, lots of still life, science projects, growing broad beans, linking it to books. I've got so many ideas, honestly you'd be here all day if I went through them all, but yeah, I've got a lot of ideas surrounding this, but it's going to be a real hub for our community.
Because of the garden is so beautiful, I would like to stay for the whole day.
So the young people we're engaging with when we put in a school garden are the next stewards of our precious planet.
Children who attend the school maybe come from sort of backgrounds where they might not have access to green space at home, then really school is the place that you need to be able to engage with the natural world. So we really believe that every school should have a garden like this.